Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say this French word for roof tile. Like the tiles you have on a roof, you will find this word as well used in cooking or in pastry, in particular in baking, when you have those little biscuits that have the shape of a roof tile. How to go about pronouncing this French word? In French, in France, we say tuile, tuile, tuile. But it'd be fine in English to say it as tuile, tuile from French tuile. Did you get it? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more French words, French cooking terms in particular, whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.